Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm going to show you the new Miyuki Tila shape mixes. Now they come in 6 mixed varieties, but you can of course mix and match these. So what does it mean to be a Tila shape mix? Well, let me draw your attention here to my blue one that I have. Now, as you're kind of looking here, you'll notice that the Tilas are these little blue squares here. Now that's a typical Tila. But what we also have is we have little half Tilas, and you can see that in this sort of frosted blue version. And then we have quarter Tilas, which are even smaller. So of course, full, half, quarter. Now the cool thing is that you can put these together and actually sort of make full Tila beads. Now in this particular mix, you're going to get 2 different colors of the Tilas, you're going to get 2 different colors of the half, and then you're also going to get 2 different colors of the quarters. And that's how all of the little mixes here are. So let me talk to you about some of those colors. So we have this beautiful blue and white and gray mix. We also have this one over here, which is some really lovely greens and irises and purples. And then over here, we have these little jasper ones, which I think are going to be really, really cool. And we also have some of that bronze style with a little white and sort of hematite in there as well. And then this one's kind of fun. I like the coral and teal with the sort of sandy colored here. And you get that nice little sort of pink iris that's happening on some of those larger Tila beads there. Here we have some green, and again, this is a really nice sort of contrast one where you get some of those ones that are matte and then some that are shiny, which is kind of cool. And you can see that in my little design here, and I'm going to talk about this in just a second. But finally, we have the red, black, and white version here, and of course that's in this design. So let me bring these 2 designs together because I want you to see sort of how these can fit together. So in this red, black, and white version, this is 2 strands of beading wire that are running sort of vertically down the bracelet. So you can see that you can just alternate and add in some of those quarter Tilas, those half Tilas, and it gives you a really cool snake-like effect, which I think is really neat. You get the stripes that way. And then in this version here, this was done on the Wrapit loom. And with this one, the holes are going up and down this way, so they're kind of more vertical as opposed to those horizontal lines. And you can see that all of the little, so that's a full Tila bead, and then you can do a half and 2 quarters to kind of get that little shape. You can do 2 of the halves, you can do 4 of the quarters. They all equal that 1 Tila bead. So you can just see how they sit together and are actually kind of their own little version of a bead substitute. So when you're using these mixes, don't be afraid to use them all in the same design, but I love that the colors are mixed. So let's say you wanted to just take out just the little quarter Tilas from this one and use them for something, you can absolutely do that. And because they're all designed the same, you can actually mix and match the mixes. So there's a lot of variety and a lot of fun that you can have there. So these are the Miyuki Tila shape mixes, and you can get all of these by heading over to Beadaholique.com. And of course, be sure to hit that subscribe button below and that bell to get notified when we have brand new videos every single week.